How cellular respiration relates to cyanide poisoning. Cellular respiration is a process our cells use to turn food and oxygen into ATP, which is the main energy molecule our bodies rely on. It happens in three main steps: glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain. The most important part for this topic is the electron transport chain, which takes place in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. In the electron transport chain, electrons move through a series of proteins. As they move, they help create a gradient that the cell uses to make a lot of ATP. For the chain to work, oxygen must accept the electrons at the very end. This step is essential because without it, the whole chain gets backed up and stops. Cyanide is a highly toxic chemical that can interfere with the last step of the electron transport chain. It binds to a protein called cytochrome C oxidase, also known as complex IV. This protein is responsible for giving the electrons to oxygen, but when cyanide attaches to it, oxygen can't bind anymore. Once that happens, electrons can't move through the chain. And if the electron transport chain stops, the cell can't make enough ATP. Without ATP, cells lose energy very quickly and can't perform their normal functions. Cells need a lot of energy, like those in the brain and the heart. Cells that need a lot of energy, like those in the brain and the heart, are affected the fastest. This is why cyanide poisoning is so dangerous. It does not stop oxygen from entering the body, it stops oxygen or cells from using oxygen in the body. So even if oxygen is present, cells are essentially starved of energy. Overall, the connection between cyanide and cellular respiration shows how important the electron transport chain is for life. Even though cyanide is a small chemical, its ability to block just one protein can shut down the entire energy-making process in our cells. This reminds us that cellular respiration depends on many steps working together perfectly. Even when one big step is disrupted, the whole system fails. Understanding this helps scientists learn not why cyanide is dangerous, but also how delicate and essential our energy systems truly are. Cyanide can be used as a dangerous poison, or it also can be used in more household and industrial uses too. So cyanide connects to a lot of different areas of the sciences, but it definitely can hurt people by disrupting the electron transport chain.